A very warm good morning to all. There is always an event in one's life which has made him proud and is unforgettable. I am here to recount such an incident which has left its mark in my life. It was the day of judgment. It was the day of my speech. The topic had been given weeks before, but of course I was lazy. The first day went past, then the second, and the rest after the topic had been given. And it was only the day before the speech that I realized that I hadn't even got my speech written. Then it was all quick. My brother and mother got together to make the longest speech I have ever seen. Then it was the studying and the practicing. My father's last piece of advice before going to bed was to read the speech. Apparently, my brain would by heart the speech when I was asleep. On the way to school, I repeated the speech to my father and made it thorough. The contest started. The first contestant got onto the stage and proudly announced the topic. It was the last blow. I had got my topic wrong. I sat there suffocated. I felt my heart pounding. Something in me whispered, "Quit." Suddenly, a calmness came over me. Sitting there, I refrained my whole speech. Teacher called my name. As I got onto the stage, my legs began to shake. I made the speech. Words seemed to flow out. After my speech, I saw my friends standing up and clapping their hands. I was wrapped up with applauses. Suddenly, I felt proud of myself. I won the competition or not didn't matter. The only thing that mattered was that I could make a speech promptly, overcoming my fear, and could reach into my audience. And it's the same pride that I feel right now, standing before you, making my humble speech. Thank you. Have a nice day.